the opposition is showing some solidarity of standing with the teachers, and like they say, if they're in government, they have solutions and ways that they can look for the money.
Solidarity by laughing at teachers, by contributing 100,000 after 3 days from the whole country. That is not solidarity, my brother. You don't walk into my funeral, if I have a funeral, and you give me 5 shillings and you say, I've shown solidarity with you, go and bury the dead, and now this is how I would have handled it if I was the one bereaved. We are saying that CORD simply came out miserable and as opportunists who wanted to latch onto the teachers' grievances and get a political mileage. They wanted to get as much political mileage as they could out of it. Out of it, they made a mess out of it. They made themselves a laughing stock, creating an account, telling the public the co-principals have put 100,000 each, only for us 2 days to be told that the total amount, including that which the public has contributed, is 109,000 Kenya shillings. What kind of immediate expenses can it pay? Not even legal fees. At the end of the day, what you would see there is a bankruptcy of ideas on how to run a government, if at all they are a government in waiting.